What if I told you that the military grade protection could be thinner than your credit card? This is my iPhone, and like many of you, I've been through an eternal struggle of choosing cases. A bulky protective cases that they feel like a heavy brick, or a slim cases that they crack on a first drop. What if you could have both? That's what Banks claims with the ArmorAir Kevlar cases. The same material that's used on actual bulletproof vests, but paper thin. Inside the box is the ArmorAir case with the Kevlar 600D. It is just 0.85mm thick. That's literally thinner than a credit card. You can feel the premium texture of the weave, and it gives a surprising amount of grip despite of being so thin. Then there is the ArmorGo wallet. A sleek MagSafe wallet that doubles as a kickstand. Minimal, magnetic, and multifunctional. This is Banks' matching accessory designed to pair with the Kevlar cases. It used the same premium Kevlar material as the case, creating a cohesive look when paired together. Compared to my Apple silicone case, this ArmorAir is significantly lighter, thinner, but noticeably grippier. The Kevlar weave is giving it a subtle texture and no sticky rubber feel like an Apple silicone cases. The fit is snug and the cutout are precise, and the built-in MagSafe is strong, stronger than both Apple cases and my leather one. Your wallet, charger or mount, they stay locked. One of the issues is the no cover or protection for the power button or the volume button, and to be honest, this is what you literally get when demanding a case with this thickness. Another con, minimal front lip protection. If you use a screen protector, you're covered like me, but without one, age or a front drop could be risky. The camera bomb has just more than enough protection without adding bulk. It also adds style and brings the case out of its boring black look. The Apple silicone case is about 2mm thick, more than the twice of the thickness of the ArmorAir. It offers a decent protection but adds a noticeable bulk. The leather case looks premium but scratches easily and doesn't provide as much as protection as you would expect for the price. The ArmorAir gives you a better protection than both while being significantly thinner and no scratches on the phone. The Kevlar material absorbs the impact despite being paper thin. Unlike many ultra thin cases, the MagSafe strength is actually stronger than Apple's own cases. Watch how quickly it snaps on and holds firmly. ArmorGo wallet, it's magnetic, of course, but it is not just a wallet. It is a Banks matching accessory designed to pair with the Kevlar cases. Same premium Kevlar material, creating a cohesive look when paired together. It holds 3 to 4 cards comfortably, and unlike the Apple's version, it transforms into a stand for both portrait and landscape viewing. The hinge is solid and holds the phone at multiple angles without being wobbly. This is perfect for watching videos, FaceTime calls, or just having your phone on your desk. The wallet detaches and reattaches easily when you need it, but stays firmly in place when it's connected. The only downside, like most aramid fiber accessories, you will get occasionally fingerprint smudge, but they wipe off in seconds. The ArmorAir plus the ArmorGo combo brings a real-world protection and a minimal design together. It feels like nothing's there, but does everything your old cases and wallet didn't. For the same price range, it is a smarter investment, and yeah, it looks sleek too. Both links are in the description. If this helps, tap like and subscribe for actually useful and honest tips. And let me know down in the comment what case are you using now. Until next, keep your tech in check. See you on the next one.